Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you these adorable little Halloween witches boots that I've been working on, and I absolutely love how they're coming out. I've only made a couple, and I've already used a couple in some other things that I was playing around with, and they're so easy to make, guys. All you need is some bling. I use some of this Recollections. It's kind of like a puffy paint or something to that effect, and I used it on here on this boot. You can use trim, little stickers. These are some nail stickers here, some stickles. I just used some gold stickles. And for the shiny parts here, instead of using the glossy accents, which I absolutely love, but it is a little bit pricey, and this is the same amount, 2 fluid ounces, and this one was like, I don't know, $1 to $3. It was in one of those dollar or more stores, and yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to find any more, but I wasn't sure how good it would work, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's definitely worth it. If you see it out there at the dollar store anywhere, buy it because it's good. And so I just used some word stickers, some little bows, this more nail stickers, these little zippers. I love this one. I can definitely see using this in shabby projects or Victorian projects. This is just a little piece of trim that I cut off, a bow. It's just so much fun to play around with. And this is just embroidery floss that you can put through there. And yeah, this black stuff, I just love how it turned out on this boot. And the glossy pieces too. So anyways, let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is to, hopefully you own one of these ice skate dies, and you're going to need to cut out 2 of them, and in any color you want. I did, different colors there, but I'm just using black for the purpose of this video. And then you're just going to want to cut off the skate. Blade of that, just like so. And then you grab your envelope punch board, which hopefully you have, and you're just going to line the boot up with the 1 inch mark here. So you just want to put it in there. Like if you put it in like that, just kind of make sure the sole is I just shift it a little bit to make sure it's even with the 1, and there you go. And then we're just going to do the same to the other boot. Just going to put it up to that 1 inch mark. I just kind of straighten it out a bit because there's no really other marks here, so I only go by the heel. And cut that out. And they should pretty much both be the same to glue together, just like that. So then I just glue it together, and I don't usually touch this part because it's kind of delicate there, so I'm just going to glue everywhere else. I can hardly wait to use this in some pretty shabby projects. And then we just glue it together like this. And of course you can have your boot facing the other way if you cut the die the other way. Oops, sorry. And get any of them out. And then just to shape the heel a little more, it's probably better if you wait for it to dry, but I didn't have one already prepped, so I just cut a little bit like that. You can even go in and cut it a little bit like that too. And if you want a more pointier toe, I just rounded it and just did that. And so for the lacing, I found, let's do a green one here. Now I'm not going to lace this whole thing on camera because it would take way too long. But I'm just going to get it kind of even here. And that's if you want to go this route. On one of them I used some Nouveau like white puffy paint. Oops, sorry. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue. Oops, sorry, did not mean to move the camera. But yeah, I just put a little bit of glue on the end. It just helps make it easier to thread through. And it's even better when it just hardens a little bit. But yeah, I just go like that, and then I glue it down there so it won't go any further. And then I just keep threading it this way. Oops, sorry. But you get the idea. And so you just keep looping it all the way through like that. As I said, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that. But I am just going to show like what I did with the Nouveau drops here. I just kind of made it like there was a thread going through. And you just have to wait a while for this to dry. So this is, you know, another option that you have. And you know, you can use the glossy accents or like this puffy paint. I haven't done a black on black. You know, and stickles. You can have so much fun with this, you guys. You can put some on the toe, and then you can put it all down here. And I would go in between more just to clean it up some more, but I would have to wait for this to dry. I'm just showing you, you know, the different things you can use that you may already have in your stash. Bling, you know, words, enamel dots, all kinds of fun stuff. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope you like these little boots, and all with just using the ice skate die. Another way of looking at what you got. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy haunting, and have a good day. Bye for now.